Okay, what is in your sheets and pillows? This is a big question, and I know that what's in my sheets and what's in my pillows are, well, not a lot. They're pretty clean. So let me tell you some facts about sheets and pillows that a lot of people don't know. The bacteria on your toilet is actually indistinguishable from the bacteria that is in your pillowcase, which is really gross. So let's talk about pillowcases first for a moment, because we know that we sleep on those. We have lots of oils from our hair, from our skin. We're drooling on them, all of that. So a week-old pillowcase has 3 million bacteria growing on it, which is 17,000 times more bacteria than your toilet seat. Gross. In 2 weeks, it has 5.98 million bacteria, which is 332 times more than a faucet handle in your bathroom. If it's a 3-week-old pillowcase, it has 8.5 million bacteria, which is 405 times more than your kitchen sink. And in the 4th week, your pillowcase has 11.96 million bacteria, which is 39 times more bacteria than your pet bowl. So that is disgusting. Now, this is why I love the Norwex pillowcase. So let's talk about that first. So the Norwex pillowcase is actually woven with our microfiber, so it's nice and soft. It's super, super smooth. I'm going to show it to you up close. It's very breathable, so it is nice to sleep in all year round. And I really love that it helps keep from any wrinkling on the skin, so it can help you stay looking younger. It helps with keeping your hair from being super frizzy, and it also helps with people who have acne-prone skin, because you're usually sleeping in all of your oils and stuff like that, and what your skin does is it gets that irritated by all the bacteria. So with the pillow, we have our microsilver woven into it, which is antibacterial. So the bacteria will die off in your pillowcase, and therefore you do not have to wash it as often. I wash it about once a month along with my sheets, which I'll talk about in just a moment. And we've got 2 sizes of pillowcases. We have a standard size, and then we have king size, which is awesome. And they all come in this cloud color with this little Safe Haven logo on it that I'm showing you upside down. So they come in this white cloud cover and I love the pillowcase. Now let's talk about sheets. So sheets have 5 million bacteria on them after a week, and that is 24 times more than your doorknob in your bathroom. At 2 weeks old, it has 5.73 million bacteria, which is 302 times more bacteria than your pet's toys. At 3 weeks old, your sheets have 9.24 million bacteria, which is 280 times more than what is your coffee reservoir that you keep all your coffee in, coffee carafe. And at 4 weeks old, it has 11.32 million bacteria, which is 5.4 times more than your toothbrush holder. So Norwex has sheets. They are a fitted sheet and a top sheet. You can buy them separately or in sets. And they come in queen size and king size. It'll also fit a cow king with 16-inch deep pockets. So it does fit deeper pocketed beds or thicker beds. And I absolutely love the sheets, you guys. These are the last set of sheets you will buy. They're more durable than cotton and other types of sheets. You don't have to wash them as often. And the same thing, your body oils and sweat and all of that have a lot of bacteria in them, and all of that constantly is multiplying in your pillowcases and in your sheets, and that's why a lot of people wash their bedding on a weekly basis. But because our sheets and our pillowcases are woven with the BacLock microsilver agent, the bacteria is dying off in your sheets and self-purifying. So like I said, I wash these once a week. They only come in this white or cloud color, and you can see They're super soft, they're super smooth, they don't feel or catch on your hands, so you'll absolutely love them. If you have any questions about the sheets or the pillowcases, you can message me, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.